Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials and today we came up with an interesting video that is on how to use filter function. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to check the playlist. You will find 130 plus videos on Six Sigma certification, quality analyst, trainer, team leader, people management, Google Data Studio, MS Excel tricks, dashboards, reports, many more videos are there. Do check and subscribe our channel and click on bell icon as well so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Today we will learn about filter function. I will be giving you three examples so that you can easily understand how we can use filter function in a different way. Let's start it. Considering an example wherein we have a data where I want to get and it's a jumbled data actually wherein they have mentioned like name and it's a workflow or maybe uh department department. Okay, so like Joy is from the operation department, Mahesh is from quality department, and it's a jumbled data. My manager told me, can you arrange it as per the department, like who is under which particular department? I got this particular query. So to solve this, what I have, don't go with this example. This is the second example formula we will teach you in the upcoming after completion of the first example. Let's use filter function. So we will use filter function. Then it's asking the range, which means a range. We require this, then comma b range. Now I will add equal to, and it should be equal to the title, which is HR. And let's close the bracket and enter. You can see here the people who are reporting to HR, you will get all their name 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are 5 people who are under the HR department. You got this data. Let's apply the same formula for the quality. Equal to filter, select all the cells, then equal to quality bracket. I have something wrong here. Do it again. Equal to filter. This is cell, comma. Let's choose the department, which is equal to quality. Yes, I got. There are 4 people who are reporting under quality team. Let me check. Yes, 4 people are reporting under the quality role. So this is done. In this way, we can get our data very easily. Let's move some complicated example. My manager told me, can you please club operation and quality team under one department? Like the title says, operation and quality team. Okay, that is operation and quality team. I want everyone should be in one department. Okay, how we can do this? The formula is very easy. So what you have to do here is you have to choose equal to filter. Sorry, let me do it here. Equal to filter, filter filter. Let me choose the first column. This is done. Comma. Let me choose the another column, but I will use a bracket here. Let me choose the another column which is equivalent to operation. Okay, this is the first way we have done. Okay, we got the operation data. Now let me add plus sign here and manually type the same thing, b2 quotes and b13, which should be equal to f, and let me close the bracket, enter. Now you can see here the formula says E1 plus F1. E1 means HR, sorry, I want quality, which means G1. Okay, G1. So here you can see operation and quality. How many people we have? 1, 2, 3 from the operation. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the quality, which means 7 members are there. Operation and yes, we got the data. This is the second example. So here what we have learned that filter function you can use it for individual to identify the individual value. You can also club two different values as well. So we can get all this data with the help of filter function. Let's move to one more example. One day my manager told me if I add a location here, suppose if I add India here, I should get the data who are from the India. Okay, I have a raw data who are from the India. I should get this detail. Now how I can do this? Let's again have a same. Let me add a few titles like location on the top and all the titles what we have here. Let me paste it the same way. Now I will add filter function. In filter function I will choose all the data. Okay, I have chosen all the data. Now what I want location. This data it should be equivalent to, this is a blank cell, I will choose this. Let's close. I'm getting NA now. Let me add CA and Canada. You can see here automatically we got all the data as per the location which consists of Canada location. Okay, same if I want Australia's data, you can get Australia data. Formula is very easy. First you have to choose all the raw data, the complete raw data excluding titles, comma D25 to D36, which means the location column, which should be equivalent to the blank location what we are chosen here, because here we will add randomly the location name. These are the two examples of filter function, three examples of filter function what we have seen now. Now let's try it from yourself, identifying many other ways to get your data with the help of filter. This is all about filter. Please do it. I have tried this in Google Sheet. I would request everyone to try the same formula using Google Sheet. If you have any doubt, please share your feedback in the comment section. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great